Okay, so as most of us know, there's a shortage of antibacterial wipes and things like that. So my solution, because often when I go to the store, there are no wipes, I'll carry one with me. But this is just a normal everyday wipe. It doesn't have anything in it, probably not even alcohol. So it's not really helping anything. It just makes me feel better to wipe down the carriage. So I'm thinking, if I took these wipes and I took some alcohol, right? I'll pull these out of here. Here's about 2, 3, here's 3 of them, okay? And I take some of this alcohol, standard, but it's 91%, so it's got that high percentage that we're looking for. And I soak them in this, and I'll take this one as well. And soak them in the alcohol. Then in theory, I should have a potent wipe that'll work. So if you can't find them at the store, these are dollar store, literally. They call them men's wipes. I don't know what the hell men are going to wipe with them. But anyway, there's 32 a pack for $1. That's cheap enough and it works. And so you can take any kind of wipe that's not antibacterial, and theoretically treat it with some alcohol, put them in a bag, bring them home, and you're all set. Good luck.